My name is Alberto Meza and I'm a cosmetic dentist. My father, he was a dentist. My grandfather was a dentist as well. What I like the most is making people smile. People's not aware that there's something wrong with their looks sometimes, and it affects their self-esteem and their self-confidence. Whenever they come around and we can offer them, the best service possible, their smile, they just, shines and makes them feel, very, very happy and self-confident. We always hear what they want. We try to fulfill their needs, and we're not happy until we're done with them. The consistency of results, they come from the systems that we use. We've been testing them for a long time, and whatever we prove that works, we actually repeat it. So that's why it brings consistency on the delivery. What we like about working on foreign patients is that their cases sometimes are really challenging, and we have the ability to deliver big cases in a short time. We care a lot about the maintenance, so we need to follow up with them on a regular basis just to see that they visit their local dentist or hygienist so they can keep up with the work that we did.